ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शाकल्य ब्राह्मण पेज नंबर 932, सेकंड पैराग्राफ इन टीका। सुख ज्ञानस्य गुणत्वांगीकारात् क्रियात्व निराकरणम् इष्टमेव इति मत्वा आह। पूर्व पक्षी विल से सुख एंड ज्ञान विज्ञानम आनंदम ब्रह्म रातिर्धातु परायणम
तिष्ठमानस्य तद्विद।
सुख ज्ञानस्य आनंद एंड विज्ञान गुणत्वांगीकार। Guna means they are guna of Atma according to how Nyaya and Vaisheshika thinks. This Purva Paksha is like that. Then, therefore, Kriyatva Nirakaranam Ishtameva. So, in that there is no Kriya. Kriya in the sense, earlier how we saw in Bhashya and in Tika also. It is not like any kriya, how we saw manantar virodhat atmani ananda jnanasya sattvam va nishityate. Tasya kriyatvam va nirakriyate tatra adyam dushayati na, that we saw. Anubhuyate tu aviruddharthata sukhi aham. Atma has sukham as guna. Therefore, how it is experienced? Aham guni, sukhi guna. Sukhi aham iti sukhatmakat atmanam swayameva vedayate. Swayameva vedayate. He experiences. How sitiga. Anubhavameva abhinayati sukhi aham iti. तथापि श्रुति विरोधः स्यात् इति आशंक्य प्रत्यक्षानुसारेण सापि नेतव्या इति आशयेन। If there is a shruti virodha, when you accept atma as guni, sukha as guna, shruti should go according to anubhava, says Purvapakshi. So sa shruti hi viruddhartha shruti you should understand as per anubhava. What is the shruti virodha? Nirgunam, nishkriyam, asthulam, ananu ityadi. Atmani ananda jnanasya kriyatva anangikarat. In Atma, Ananda and Jnana, they are not Kriya, they are Guna. Kriyatva Anangikarat. Karaka Bheda Apeksha Abhavad ityartha. Karaka, it is not a Kriya, it is Guna. Karaka Bheda Apeksha Abhavad ityartha. Gunat, this is one. More. Gunatva Pakshecha Pratyakshasya Anugunatvat Agamasya Virodhina तद अनुसारेण नेयत्वात्. Pratyaksha will lead how other pramanas will decide, how other pramanas should be inferred. Gunatva pakshecha pratyakshasya anugunatvat. Pratyaksha is following this idea that Sukha, Vijnana are guna of Atma on the basis of Aham Sukhi, Aham Janami, in this way. And any Virodhi Agama, if it is there, then Tad Anusarena, accordingly, Neyatvat. Aviruddha Agamasya Bhuyastvat iti Atishaya. And extra, what do you get is any Aviruddha Agama, any Shruti that supports Atma has guna, even more better. Aviruddharthata Vijnanadi Shruti hai. So what it will justify? Vijnanadi Shruti, Vijnanam Anandam Brahma will become Aviruddha. Guna Guni Bhave api na Advaita Shruti hi Shakya netum. Siddhanti says, if you say Atma is Guni, Sukha, Vijnanam are Guna, then Advaita, where is Advaita? Because now you have Guna Guni Bhava. This is still Dvaitam. So Netum na Shakya. Iti Bauddha will come. He will say Swavedyatvam. Atma knows Atma. Atma knows Atma. Swavedyatvam. Swavedyatva Paksham Ashrityaha. Tasmad Anandam Brahma Vijnanatmakam Sat Swayameva Vedayate. Ananda Rupa Brahma, Vijnanatmaka Brahma knows itself. So Advaita is also there. It knows itself. I know my guna. How do we say? Just like that, Atma will have knowledge of its own guna, like Vijnanam, Anandam, etc. Yatha Kathanchit Brahmani Anandasya Vedyatve Shrutinam Anugunyam Asti. And Yatha Kathanchit, somehow Brahma knows its Ananda, let us say. Then Shrutinam Anugunyam. Shruti will become following that. Anuguni. Anuguni means that Shruti will also follow Atma has Sukha, Ananda, Vijnana as its guna. How tatha Ananda Pratipadikaha Shrutayaha Samanjasaha Syuhu. Ananda Pratipadaka Shruti like Jakshat Kridan Ramamanaha Iti Eva Madhyaha Purvoktaha Shrutayaha. They all also will become Samanjasa, appropriate. Anando Vedyo Brahmani iti chodite siddhantam aha. This Ananda is Vedya. When this Akshepa is done, chodite means Akshipte. Siddhanti says now, na Karya Karana Bhave Anupapatter Vijnanasya. Tika Agantukam Anagantukum Va Jnanam Muktau Anandam Gocharayati Na Adyatya. This Jnanam, is it Agantuka Jnana or Anagantuka Jnana in Mukti, which will make Ananda as its Vishaya. So it is not Agantukam. Why? Karya Karana Bhave. In Mukti, I don't have Sthula Sharira, I don't have Sukshma Sharira. Karya Karana Bhave, Vijnana se Anupatte. There is no Vijnanam possible in the absence of Sthula Sukshma Sharira. Anupapatti meva sporayati. He explains what is the Anupapatti here. Sharira Viyogo hi moksha atyantikaha. Sharira Viyogo, Atyantika Sharira Viyoga is moksha. Then there where you don't get another Sharira. Karya Karana Yor Abhave api. Mokshe Brahmananda Jnanam Janishyate. Samsare hi hetva peksha iti ashankya. Purva Pakshi will say, in Sansar Kala you need Karya Karana, Sthula Sukshma Sharira. In Moksha Kala, Brahmananda Jnana Utpatti will happen in the absence of Sthula Sukshma Sharira also. Sharira Bhave cha Karana Anupapatti hi Ashraya Bhavat. If Sthula Sharira is not there, Karana means Sukshma Sharira, all the Karanas will not be there because they don't have Ashraya. Tatasya Vijnana Anupapatti hi Akarya Karanatvat. So therefore, in the absence of sthula and sukshma sharira, vijnana cannot be produced. देहादि अभावे च विज्ञान उत्पत्तौ सर्वेषां कार्यकरण उपादान अनर्थक्य प्रसंगः. देहादि अभावे, if body etc are not there and vijnana utpatti, let's say, if you say like that, it will take place, then for all sarvesham pranina, without sthula sukshma sharira, karyakarana upadana is anarthakya only, because without them knowledge takes place, without them ananda will take place. And ekatva virodhacha, this is the anagantukam jnanam. If anagantuka jnanam is there, that is dvitiyam dushayati, ekatva virodhat. What is ekatva virodhat? That is explained. Nahi brahma swarupa jnanena eva vedya ananda rupam bhavitum utsahate विषय विषयिणोर एकत्व विरोधात् ततश्च अनागंतुकमपि ज्ञानं मुक्तौ न आनंदम अधिकरोति इत्यर्थः. नहि ब्रह्म स्वरूप ज्ञानेन एव वेद्य आनंद रूपम भवितुम उत्साहते. ब्रह्म स्वरूप ज्ञानेन एव, ओनली बाय ब्रह्म स्वरूप ज्ञान आनंद रूपम न भवितुम उत्साहते. Ananda Rupa will not be experienced if Brahma is already Ajnana Swarupa, but Ananda Anubhava will not happen. Why? Vishaya Vishayinor Ekatva Virodhat. Vishaya is Ananda. Vishayi is Jnanam. Jnanam of Ananda. If they are different, then tatascha anagantukam api jnanam muktau na anandam adhikaroti ityartha. That jnanam which is not agantuka, it is swarupa of Brahma, still anandam will not be experienced at the time of mukti, liberation. This is ekatva virodha between jnana and ananda. If you don't accept ekatva, because they are one, according to us. Kincha brahma va mukto va samsari va brahmanandam gocharaye tatra adyam anuvadati. Okay, who will experience brahmananda? Brahma or liberated or samsari? Liberated jiva, samsari jiva or Brahma. So first vikalpa, परम चेत ब्रह्म आनंदात्मकम आत्मानं नित्य विज्ञानत्वात् नित्यमेव विजानीयात्. परम चेत ब्रह्म, if Brahma is param आनंदात्मकम, then आत्मानं नित्य विज्ञानत्वात्, आत्मा is ज्ञान स्वरूप, Brahma is आनंद स्वरूप. नित्य विज्ञान स्वरूप आत्मा will know Brahma all the time, nityameva vijaniyat, but that doesn't happen. Tanna. Tika. Tasmin pakshe na brahma swarupanandam vetti. Tena aikyat ekatra vishaya vishayitva anubhavattehe uktatvat iti dushayati. In that paksha, Brahma, na Brahma Swarupanandam Vetti. Then, if I am Ananda Swarupa, I will not be the knower of Ananda Swarupa. Why? Tena Aikyat, because there is oneness, and therefore, Ekatra Vishaya Vishayitva Anubhavattehe. In one thing, Vishaya and Vishayi, both Bhava cannot be there. Aham ghatam janami, ghata is different from me. Aham janami, I am Vishaya, I am Vishayi, same thing you cannot have. Uktatvat. already we have said. Tadushayati tanna. Sansari tanna sansari api samsar vinirmuktah swabhavyam pratipadyeta. Being sansari, it knows sansara mukta, Brahmananda is not possible. Means we have to focus on this part. I am samsari and I want to know asamsari Brahma. No, when I become asamsari, then only I will know asamsari Brahma. Because Brahma is me. Brahma is not something else. But being sansari, I cannot know asamsari. I have to drop sansara from myself. नापि संसारी ब्रह्मानंदम गोचरयति स खलु अनिवृत्ते संसारे संसारिणम आत्मानम अभिमन्यमानो न ब्रह्मानंदम आकलयितुम अलं. After that comma you can put. Sansari cannot know Brahmananda. Sansari Brahmanandam na api gocharayati. Why? As long as samsara is there, anivrutte samsare sansarinam atmanam abhimanyama. I am sansari. This abhiman he has. How will he enjoy Brahmananda of asamsari? Akalaitum na alam. He is never capable. What about samsara nivritti? Samsare nivritte tu tato vinirmukto brahma swabhavyam pratipadyamanas tad anandam tadvadeva vishay kartum na arhati dutiyam pratyaha. And when sansara nivritti takes place, then vinirmukta brahma swabhavyam pratipadyama. Brahma is me, myself. Pratipadyamanas tada anandam tadvadeva vishay kartum na arhati. Then he cannot make that ananda as vishaya, different from oneself. If I am samsari, I cannot know asamsari Brahma. If I become asamsari Brahma, I will not know ananda as different from myself. I become Vishayi, that becomes Vishaya, I experience it, it will not happen. So that is not possible. Tritiyam pratyaha samsari api sansar vinirmuktaha swabhavyam. No was there earlier, na pratipatti. Mukto api brahmano. So now what he said, three cases are there. Brahma knows Brahmananda, samsari knows Brahmananda, mukta knows Brahmananda. Brahma cannot know Brahmananda as different from itself. Samsari cannot know Brahmananda because Brahma is asamsari. Mukta, as soon as he knows that he is mukta from samsara, then he will not know Brahmananda is different from itself. So then first and third case will become same. In either case, Brahmanandam will be known as different from myself. So somebody has waited. Mukto api brahmano bhinno abhinno bhinno va iti vikalpya abheda paksham anubhashate. Mukto api brahmano abhinno bhinno va iti. Even if he is liberated, he is like, he is different. He is one with Brahma, but he wants to experience. How? Siddhanti gives the Rishtanta. Jalashaya iva udakanjalihi prakshipto na pruthatvena vyavatishthata anandatmaka brahma vijnanaya. If you take water in your palm, like in Gangaji, and then you offer udakanjali, that water will not remain different from the water in Gangaji. It will become one. So once I was separate, I was thinking I will experience that other Ananda. When I become one, then there is no bheda anymore. Na pruthatvena vyavatishtate. To know that Anandatmaka Brahma anymore. Brahma भिन्नस्य मुक्तस्य तदा आनंद विषयीकरणम मुक्त न्यायेन निरस्यति. One that mukta who is Brahma abhinna, tad ananda vishayikaranam. That ananda will become vishaya. I am the experiencer. He is. It is not possible. Nirasyati. Tada mukta आनंदात्मकम आत्मानं वेदयते इति एतद् अनर्थकं वाक्य. मुक्तः आनंदात्मकम आत्मानं वेदयते. This is व्यर्थ वाक्य, अनर्थकम्. भेद पक्षम अनुवदति. ओके, भेद, I am different. अथ ब्रह्मानंदम अन्यः सन मुक्तो वेदयते. He says no, Brahmananda is different. I am liberated, different from Brahman. This is Vishishtadvaita, or next he is going to give. Vishishtadvaita means Ramanujacharya ji matam. What was there earlier is Vrittikar matam. And another is Bhaskaracharya, Bhatta Bhaskara matam, Bheda Bhedavada. So Jivatma is different, Brahma is different. Brahma is Ananda Swarupa, Pratyagatma is Vijnana Swarupa. I know Brahma, I am liberated. Brahmanandam anyaha san mukto vedayate. Pratyagatmanam aham asmi ananda swarupa iti. I know the aham asmi ananda swarupa. In this way he knows Brahmananda. Iti. This is Purvapaksha. Tika. Brahmanandam pratyagatmanam iti sambandha. Brahmanandam pratyagatmanam vedayate. Tada ekatva virodha. Then ekatva virodha will happen. That I am liberated, I know that Brahmananda. Where is one? Yes, they are different. Vedana prakaram abhinayati aham asmi ananda swarupa iti. Tattvamasya shruti virodhena nirakaroti. Tattvamasya shruti virodha will take place. Therefore, this is not acceptable. Tatha cha sarva shruti virodha. Tatha cha sati, all shruti virodha will take place. Mukto brahmanah sakashat bhinno abhinno va mabhut. This is Bheda Bhedavada, Bhatta Bhaskara Acharya Mata. Mabhut. Bhinna bhinnastu syat. Let's not have only bhinna or only abhinna. Let's make it bhinna bhinna. Tritiya cha kalpana no papatyate. Third kalpana is not possible. Third means either bhinna you take or abhinna you take. Bhinna bhinna is not possible. Sarvatra bheda bhedavadasya dushitatva adityartha. Everywhere we have shown defects in bheda bhedavada. Brahmanah swanandasya avedyatve hetvantaram nāti. Brahma itself is Ananda Swarupa, and that Ananda is not Swavedya, like how Bauddhas think. In that another hetu he gives. Kincha anyat brahmanascha nirantara atmananda vijnane vijnana vijnana kalpana anarthatyam. Anyat brahmanascha nirantara atmananda vijnane. Brahma, which is nirantara ananda swarupa, continuously if you say that knowledge is taking place, Vijnana, avijnana, kalpana itself will not be there, because all the time that knowledge is there. So where is the question of absence of that knowledge? Nirantaram ched atmananda vishayam brahmano vijnanam tadeva tasya swabhava. All the time what is there is its swabhava. So atman ananda vishaya brahmano vijnanam is all the time there. All the time I know means even before Brahmakar Vritti. Without Brahmakar Vritti, if I know I am Ananda Swarupa and I am Vijnana Swarupa, or I am aware of Ananda Swarupa, that is my Swabhava. Iti Atmanandam Vijanati iti Kalpana Anupapanna. That is a Kalpana only. टीका तदेव उपपादयति निरन्तरं च आख्यात प्रयोगस्य तर्हि कुत्रार्थवत्वं तथा आख्यात प्रयोग स्वात्म 14 नंबर टिप्पणी स्वात्मानंदम ब्रह्म जानाति इति प्रयोग दिस इज आख्यात प्रयोग स्वात्मानंदम ब्रह्म हाउ दिस बौद्ध थिंग I know myself in this way आत्मा knows आत्मा आख्यात प्रयोगस्य अनर्थकत्व अनर्थकत्वे अपि इत्वे इट शुड बी अनर्थकत्वे अपि इत्यर्थः अतद विज्ञान प्रसंगे ही कल्पनाया अर्थवत्वम यथा आत्मानं परम च वेत्ति इति अतद विज्ञान प्रसंगे when a thing is not known earlier then only vijnana avijnana this kalpana is possible so 8 number टिप्पणी अज्ञान अन्यार्थ विज्ञान प्रसक्तौ एव in Hindi tika they have given like ghatadi for ghata knowing not knowing is possible in Brahma knowledge is there all the time it is ananda swarupa jnana swarupa he explains in tika devadatto hi buddhi purvakaritva avasthayam स्वात्मानम अन्यम च विविच्य जानाति देवदत्त at the time of inquiry buddhi purvakaritva avasthayam so when he is thinking in that state swatmanam anyam cha vivichya I am different ghata is different with this viveka then he knows janati na anyat iti ubhayathatva darshanat
Is it eti or it is not?
there is some na anyada we have to read that way na anyada iti ubhayathatva darshanat reading is correct ubhayathatva ज्ञान अज्ञानवत्व दर्शनात् तत्र आख्यात प्रयोगो युज्यते नैवं ब्रह्मणि अज्ञान प्रसंगो अस्ति in this case आख्यात प्रयोग is appropriate आख्यात प्रयोग means I am the knower of something which is different from me नान्यद एति I will have to look at it, but part looks okay. न एवं ब्रह्मणि अज्ञान प्रसंगो अस्ति. Therefore, in Brahma, not knowing is never possible. Why? Nitya Jnana Swabhavatvad. Brahma is Nitya Jnana Swarupa. So this is why we say all we have to do through Brahmakar Vritti is remove Ajnana. Remove the notion that I am Parichinna and Badita, etc. तथा च तत्र आख्यात प्रयोगो न अर्थवान इत्यर्थः. In Nitya Jnana Swarupa, आख्यात प्रयोग, like how Buddhists suggest, is not अर्थवान. ब्रह्मणि आख्यात प्रयोग अनर्थक्यम दृष्टांतेन स्पष्टयति. How in Brahma आख्यात प्रयोग is inappropriate. नहीं ईश्वादि आसक्त मनसो नैरंतर्येण ईशु ज्ञान अज्ञान कल्पनाया अर्थवत्वम. Ishu, that arrow maker, Bana, when he is asakta in that, so then whether he knows Bana or he does not know, he has knowledge of Ishu or Ajnana of Ishu, that Kalpana is nirarthaka. It is one with it. Pratyagatmani Nitya Jnanatva Siddhim Shankate. Somebody says, but Pratyagatma is not Nitya Jnana Swarupa. Again, Nayayikas will come. Atha Vichinnam Atmanandam Vijanati. Atmananda is Vichinna Vijanati. Sometimes it is there, sometimes not there. Vichinnam iti Kriya Visheshanam. Vichinnam Vijanati. परिहरति. नो, विज्ञानस्य आत्मविज्ञान छिद्रे अन्य विषयत्व प्रसंगः. विज्ञानस्य आत्मविज्ञान छिद्रे, विज्ञानम is there at some time, and then chidra means avakasha, not there at some other time. विज्ञानस्य आत्मविज्ञान छिद्रे अन्य विषयत्व प्रसंगः. अन्य विषयत्व will come. अन्य विषयत्व means टीका. आत्मनो विज्ञानस्य छिद्रम means अंतरालम, असत्वावस्था. Sometimes Atma is available as Vijnana Swarupa, sometimes not. अंतरालम असत्वावस्था. तदापि विज्ञानम अस्ति चेत तस्य अन्य विषयत्व प्रसंगः. तथा च यत्र अन्यत् पश्यति इत्यादि श्रुतेः आत्मनो मर्त्यत्वापत्तिर् न चेत तदा विज्ञानम तदा पाषाणवद अचेतनत्वं विज्ञप्ति रूपत्व अनंगीकारात् इत्यर्थः. If antarala sattvaavastha is there, sometimes not there, then vijnanam asti chet, if when it is there, tasya anya vishayatva prasangah, then it will be known as different. तथा च यत्र अन्यत् पश्यति इत्यादि श्रुतेः आत्मनो मर्त्यत्वापत्ति. Because यत्र अन्यत् पश्यति, अन्यत् शृणोति, अन्यत् विजानाति, it is alpam. Alpam means anityam. So Atma will become Martya, Martyatva Apatti. And na chet tada, if it is not like that, tada Vijnanam, tada Pashanavad Achetanatvam. And if it is not Vijnana Swarupa, then it is Jada only. If that Vijnanam is there sometimes and not there. If it is there, then it is sometimes there, so it has to be known as different from it. If it is not there at all, it is Jada. Like Pashanavad Achetanatvam. Vignapti Rupa Anangikaradithyartha. Vignapti Rupatva is not there. Atmano anitya jnanavatve doshantaram. Atma, when it is anitya jnanavan, then another dosha will be atmanasya vikriyavatvam tatasya anityatva prasanga. Atma will be vikriyavan and therefore there will be anityatva prasanga. This is simple. तस्माद् विज्ञानम् आनंदम इति स्वरूप अन्वाख्यान परा एव श्रुतिः न आत्म आनंद संवेद्यत्वार्था. So therefore विज्ञानम आनंदम ब्रह्म is स्वरूप अन्वाख्यान परा श्रुति. That श्रुति which reveals the स्वरूप यथा अवस्थित वस्तु स्वरूप बोधन परा. ठीक है. आनंद ज्ञाने ब्रह्मणि विषय विषयत्व अयोग. So this Shruti is not for Atmananda Anubhava, that how I enjoy sugar. I enjoy sugar. I don't become sugar. Unless this is how they say in Bhakti Darshana, etc. Here I am Ananda Swarupa. I am not experiencing Ananda as different from myself. आनंद ज्ञाने ब्रह्मणि विषय विषयत्व अयोगात् चेत् कथम विज्ञानादि वाक्यम इति आशंक्य उपसंहरति तस्मात् विज्ञानम आनंदम. So then therefore Ananda and Vijnanam, there is no Vishaya Vishayitva. Brahma is Ananda Swarupa, is Vijnana Swarupa. Brahmani Anandasya Avedyatve, then Shruti Virodha will happen. Jakshat Kridan Ramamanam. So he said Jakshat Kridan Ityadi Shruti Virodho Asamvedyatva iti chet. Asamvedyatve, all the other Shruti Virodha. Because he said he Kridan, he sports, Ramamana, he delights. Where is, if I am Ananda Swarupa, where is delight? Iti chet na. Tika. सर्वत्र आत्मनो मुक्तस्य ऐक्ये सति योग्यादिषु यथा जक्षणादि प्राप्तम तथैव तद अनुवादित्वात् अस्याः श्रुतेर् न विरोधो अस्ति इति परिहरति. सर्वत्र आत्मनो मुक्तस्य, all the time when Atma is mukta, मुक्तस्य ऐक्ये सति, when I become one with that, योग्यादिषु यथा जक्षणादि प्राप्तम तथैव तद अनुवादित्वात्. This is only anuvada of the Brahmananda. So you say he is enjoying this, he is eating, he is delighting, etc. अस्याः श्रुतेर् न विरोधो अस्ति. There is no virodha. How? Because he is सर्वात्म रूप. सर्वात्मैकत्वे यथा प्राप्त अनुवादित्वात्. Means actually Jakshat Kridan is not going to happen. See further also, you can read the next line in Tika. See, Kim Anuvade Phalam iti chet tadaha. The Anuvada, what is the Phalam? Tadeva Prapanchet. Muktasya Sarvatma Bhave Sati Yatra Kvachid Yogishu Deveshu Va Jakshanadi Praptam Tad Yatha Praptam Eva Anudyate. It is not prapta for all. Yogi shu praptam, some yogi will get, some devata, they will get this. I am Brahma, therefore I am that yogi, I am that devata, I am everybody. It is like this, to make it very simple. Let's say I am sitting here, Brahma Jnani, let us say. Somebody, not me, somebody is Brahma Jnani, some Mahatma is there. Another person is very rich person. Let's say he is enjoying some worldly pleasure. I am Brahma Swarupa. I means that whoever Mahatma is Brahma Jnani. So what should be his understanding? I am all. Therefore I am this person also. Dhanavan, who is enjoying A, B, C, Bhoga. I am Indra. Indra is enjoying something. I am that. I am enjoying that also. Some other yogi has some siddhi. That is also me. in this way. I go on creating Bheda. No, I am different. They all are my enemies. And I want to enjoy Brahmananda. So he says, Vachid yogishu deveshu va jakshanadi praptam. Only those who have punya karma, some yoga siddhi, some upasana siddhi, they will get those bhogas. Everybody will not get it. Brahmajnani will not get this kind of ananda. Brahmajnani will have 100 times more than any of this. That is Brahmananda. 100. Muktasya tika. Muktasya yogyadishu sarvatra. Nahi. Tat tasyaiva sarvatma bhavat. Because Brahmajnani has sarvatma bhava. Brahmajnani is not going to enjoy like worldly people. If I want worldly sukham, I should stop attending Vedanta and do some karma upasana. How worldly people get sukham, if that kind of sukham I want, Vedanta is not for me. Tat tasyaiva sarvatma bhavat iti sarvatma bhava moksha stutaye. It is a stuti of sarvatma bhava rupa moksha. That Jakshat Kridan, he can go wherever he wants. Means who will go? The one who has done upasana also. Brahmajnani cannot go everywhere. Brahmajnani may not have roti to eat and he will be happy. Brahmajnani may not have enough clothes to wear and he will be happy. He may not have students who are interested in studying and he will be happy. And he might have Murkha students and still he will be happy. Muktasya yogyadishu sarvatra atma bhava. Because he has sarvatra atma bhava. Atma bhava deva tatra praptam jakshanadi yatra mukti stutaye anudyate. Yatra praptam, wherever it is, for mukti stuti, it is praised. It is anuvada of for mukti stuti. Tanna anuvada vayarthyam. It is not futile anuvada. It is a stuti of this. Means, don't have any idea that I will enjoy everything. We have to have sarvatma bhava. I am all. Maintaining my ragadveshas, forget it. Vidushaha sarvatmyena yogyadishu prapta jakshanadi anuvade syat ati prasakti iditi shankate. For a jnani, if he is a sarvatma, he has everything along with all. Ati prasakti. What is the ati prasakti dosha? He will have everybody dukkham also. This is always they prove as ati prasakti. So jakshanadi is there. Okay, he will have sorrow also of everyone. Yatha prapta anuvaditve dukhitvam api iti chet. This comes everywhere. They raise this as a purvapaksha. Ati prasangameva prakatayati. Yogyadishu yatha prapta jakshanadivat sthavaradishu yatha prapta dukhitvam api iti chet. If a tree is unhappy, somebody is cutting tree, a jnani should be suffering there. Iti chet na. Tika. अविद्यात्मक नाम रूप विरचितो उपाधि संबंध उपाधिद्वय संबंध निबंधन मिथ्या ज्ञानाधीनत्वाद आत्मनि दुखित्वादि प्रतीते न तत्र वस्तुतो दुखित्वम्. That dukham is mithya. Sukham is also mithya. It is only vidya stuti. When they want to do stuti, they will not talk about everybody's dukham. They will talk about everybody's sukham. But dukha is also mithya, sukham is also mithya. Na tatra vastuto dukhitvam. Na cha jakshanadi api vastavam. Avidyasya muktihi stutaye, mukti stutaye anuvada. Jakshanadi is also not vastavam. It is also avidyaka only. It is for mukti stuti, anuvada. Dukhitvasya hi na anuvado. Then somebody says, okay, why did not you do anuvada of dukhitva also? If only all pleasures are, you are doing anuvada, then where is the stuti? Then you will never work for it. You say, then I am not going to work for it. I want the sukha of yogi and devata. Then we said, go for karma in the beginning itself. When you come for Vedanta, you have to drop all these things. Ati hinatva prapte iti pariharati na नाम रूप कृत कार्य करण उपाधि संपर्क जनित भ्रांति अध्यारोपितत्वात् सुखित्व दुःखित्वादि विशेषस्य इति परिहृतम एतत् सर्वम. All we have already said, anything that is arising from nama rupa krita karya karana upadhi samparka janita, from the association with sthula sukshma sharira upadhi, any vishaya janya, it is bhranti adhyaropita. It is superimposed because of errors, the sukhitva dukhitvadi vishesha. All of this we have already refuted in the beginning. Means a person who is able to let go of Ashwamedha Sukham, that is the first topic of Brahadaranya. That person should study Brahadaranya. If we are not capable of doing, then do some karma fast. Yattu viruddha shruti drishta agamartho nirnito bhavati iti tatra. If there is viruddha shruti seen by us, then agama artha nirnaya will not happen. Agamartho nirnito na bhavati iti tatraha. Viruddha shrutinanja vishayam avojama. Viruddha shrutinam vishaya we have already discussed. This Chakshat Kridan Rama. Tika. वेद्यत्व अवेद्यत्वादि श्रुतीनाम सोपाधिक निरुपाधिक विषयत्वेन मधुकांडे व्यवस्था उक्ता. This is not only here in Madhukanda. We have said वेद्यत्व अवेद्यत्वादि श्रुतीनाम 11 number टिप्पणी आनंदस्य वेद्यत्वम. At that time, sopadhika ananda nirupadhika. Nirupadhika is my swarupa. Sopadhika is where this Ananda Mimamsa, 100-fold, 100-fold, 100, is all Sopadhika Ananda. In Madhukanda and early other places also it is said. Brahmanartham upasamharati tasmat esho asya paramananda itivat sarvani. Here see this esho asya par, that is Brahmananda Mimamsa. They have not given the number. Esho asya paramananda. Sarvani bhutani matram upajivanti, that vakya. Iti sarvani ananda vakyani drashtavyani. All ananda vakyas you should see here. Brahmani anandasya vedyataya durnirupatvam tat shabdartha. In Brahma, ananda is there and it is vedya that you cannot explain. Means it is like Sushupti Ananda. In Sushupti, Ananda is there, but it is not different from it. But I am able to enjoy it with contentment, like that. And Prarabdha will give its own share, whatever is there. Yatha esho asya iti atra bhedo na vivakshita. Sarvatma bhavasya prakutatvat. Tatha vijnanadi vakyeshu anandasya vedyata na vivakshita. Sarvatma bhavasya prakutatvat. तथा विज्ञानादि वाक्येषु in विज्ञानादि वाक्य आनंदस्य वेद्यता न विवक्षिता. So ananda should not be understood as vedya, different from me. That is not the vivaksha. Uktaritya na vivakshita. After that there should be comma. उक्तरीत्या तद्वेद्यतायाः दुष्प्रतिपादत्वात् विज्ञानादि वाक्येषु आनंदस्य वेद्यता विवक्षिता. It is not Vishayananda. वेद्यता is dushpratipada. We cannot explain. Then how? It is my swarupa. I will, when they say nandati, 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 so there is no Vishaya Ananda like delight in Atma. But there is no Yastvatmaratirev syat Atmatruptascha manavaha Atmani evacha santushta. This is what will be there. Tasmad anatishayanandam chidekatanam vastu siddham ityartha. This ananda is anatishaya. Anatishaya means unexcelled. Avidamanam atishayo yasya. Saha anandaha anitishaya ananda. And chid rupa and ekatanam. Samana rupa chidekatanam. Chidekarasam, chideka vistaram, vastu siddham ityartha. इति बृहदारण्यकोपनिषद भाष्ये तृतीय अध्याय से नवम ब्राह्मण. With this, तृतीय अध्याय is Shakalya Brahmana is complete. In the next session, we will begin with Chaturdha Adhyaya. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sudra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.